Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to make them visible, select this gear at the top right corner of Password Manager. Make sure that over the Save Password option is on. Log in to one of your apps and click on Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your added password will appear over here. Finally, to set up any other one from those settings, tap on this plus icon and next to Search Passwords and enter all of those informations. You can enter any website or click on Select App instead and tap on the chosen one. In my case, Facebook. Now enter your username or email, password, and some helpful notes. When you finish, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!